The question is 24 divided by, in the brackets, 4 times 3, radical, multiplied by 6. So first, we solve the brackets. Now, the solution. "24 divided by," so let's solve it. 4 times 3 equals 12, multiplied by 6. Now, let's go further. 24 divided by 12 times 6, as we know. Division and multiplication both have the same priority, so when we set the priority from left to right, the first priority will be division. If we get the correct priority, then 24 divided by 12 times 6, 24 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. Then this is A. Right transfer.